Folks, train hopping nomad here from Kenora at around 8 p.m. We got here in the morning. Well, I thought it wasn't morning anymore. It was like 12, maybe 1 p.m. Can't remember. And we rode on that 105, that infernal 105 for 36 hours. It's just a terrible, terrible ride. And from this morning when the sun came up till when we got to the Kenora yard, it was just like an oven in there. It's just really terrible. So we got off here, went to the McDonald's, washed our hand, ate something, and we went side of the water. There's I don't know how you call that thing, to do some concert outside and just to recharge my stuff. A couple of power pack, and we went to the dollar store. No frill, convenience store. Then we're back here at the track. There's a train that passed in front of us, and I really don't know which one it was. 119, 113, 101. I don't know. And we weren't ready to catch it, fortunately, because there was D48. That would have been nice, 3 in a row. Anyway, there was nothing more to ride on that train except those, if I'm not mistaken. And waiting for the sun to go down to go further down the track. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm out. Oh, I'm with Q Drinks.